Hey everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Today we're at 1775 Spruce Hill in Pickering. We've got this amazing bungalow. It's got 3 bedrooms, 3 washrooms, fully finished basement with a rec room, walkout basement, bar, everything you could possibly imagine. Why don't you guys go on in and take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. All right guys, now that you've seen the home, I know you're dying to get in here and play with the smart home technology, and you most definitely can, but you gotta contact me guys. My contact information is gonna be on the screen, so get a hold of me. I'd love to show this to you, but before we go, I have one cool thing to show you guys in this home. Hey Google, turn on the home theater.
Get Kabani, get it sold.
Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold. House been on the block for a month. House ain't selling, it's stuck. So I went and hit Kabani up. Now I gotta get a moving truck. Sold the most on the street. Whoa. He could sell your house in a week. Goddamn. Sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sell it, sold.
I'm not seeing my post.